Hello and welcome to a new video on this channel. So let me respond to a question from one of this channel's viewers, and he asked what happens to products that are posted by the Ebayomatic plugin, so the eBay products that expire. So let me show you how this can be handled in the Ebayomatic plugin. So let me import some posts. So for example, this is my blog, it is empty, and let me import some laptop related posts, only one for testing purposes. And to set up expiration for products that are no longer available on eBay, we will click here settings, scroll down and search for product expiration policy. So here you can set redirect to custom URL, move to trash, or delete permanently. So this will be the options, these will be the options that will be available for you for products that will expire, that were created by the Ebayomatic plugin. So you can set here redirect to custom URL, and if you set redirect to custom URL, you can set the custom URL where expired products will be redirected here in this settings building product expiration redirect URL. Also you can set move to trash or delete permanently. So yeah, these will be the options to check out for the Ebayomatic plugin. Be sure to check this because you might want to not leave the default no action value here, so the expired products will not remain online on your site. But however, this is also a good choice because you might want to keep them for SEO, so yeah, your site will have more content on it. Okay, so go ahead and check this out. Also, let me create an example post just to show how the plugin will create the post for you. So the plugin is now working, the green tick appeared, and if we refresh the site here, a notebook was published here with some description. Okay, yeah, so this is all for today. I hope you will use this feature of the Ebayomatic plugin, the product expiration policy. Until next time, have a nice day, stay safe, bye bye.